When no other scanning option has been able to identify an object, or you are trying to quickly automate and are not concerned with stability and long-term use of the module, you can create image-based controls. This requires a control to be created by capturing an image, which is used for identification later on. To create an image-based control, select the option Create Image-Based Control from the mini toolbar of a module folder. A window for creating the image-based control will open. Make sure that the required application is in the foreground. Click on the plus sign in the blue square. The currently open window is then minimized. Alternatively, you can hit F12 key. This may be useful if whatever control you want to capture, like a drop-down box, disappears with a mouse click. Define the area you want to be captured with the mouse pointer. Click and hold the left mouse button while you mark the selected area with a red rectangle. This creates an image of the control, but this is not the identifying image of the control. Select the control type via the corresponding button, for example, button. Remember that image-based controls contain no default properties, and therefore will be assigned the properties according to the control type you have chosen. For example, image-based buttons will instruct Tosca to perform a mouse click regardless of whether you use X or click as the tested value. You must then create at least one identifying image which Tosca will search for when the control is steered. If you want to identify the control by its position on a page, you will then want to create an identifying image of the surrounding area, and it will find any control that is in the same position as the first image you created relative to this identifying area. You can take multiple identifying pictures of the button in different situations if the shape or color changes. If you want to find exactly that control using exactly its own image, regardless of its position on a page, you would use the same identifying image as the first so that even if it moves, Tosca can locate it. You can also change the accuracy to make it more likely that the control will be found. By default, the accuracy is set to 95. Image-based identification will be affected by zoom, color, and resolution. Assign a unique name to the control in the Name field. Click on the Save button to create the control.